Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to clean the speaker from phone calls. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We need a toothbrush with hard bristles. A highly specialized individual one, taken from a collection of that kind. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush with medium or soft bristles. We also need alcohol for this. 100% and isopropyl 99.9% pure, so that it evaporates quickly and doesn't spill anything inside the phone. This kind of alcohol, and if you don't have it, you can use spirit. And we can get started. So the speaker is right here in the phone. So we can turn the phone sideways. Clean it dry first. However, the most crucial step you must remember is that you need to thoroughly soak your entire toothbrush in rubbing alcohol immediately after you are finished. Thoroughly. And we clean in one direction. First, move the brush over the speaker in one direction. Only in one direction. Then in the other direction, one way only. And again in one direction. Repeat this about 10 times. Now we'll have 3 medium passes. Of course, do everything with the phone turned off. And if you don't have a professional brush like this, a regular toothbrush will do. I'm just saying use a medium or soft one so you don't scratch your phone. And the same, go in one direction, and then in the other direction. Just make sure it's one way. If you brush the whole speaker in one direction, all the dirt will just come out of the speaker. Then we leave the phone for 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate. After that, we can turn on the phone and use it. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.